Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Miss Lady Lori. Lori, Miss Lady. It depends on who you're asking. Sassy calls me Miss Lady. Anyhow, I got a new subscription. It's a beauty subscription, and I wanted to share it with you guys. It is an actually pretty cool subscription. It's by ZEESEA. I know you guys have heard about it, or maybe you haven't. If you're normal use over there on Instagram, that's where I found it. You're not going to see a lot of this kind of stuff over here on YouTube. I mean, you will, depending on the videos you watch, but I mean like where the subscription comes from and so forth. I found it over there on Instagram. They're a pretty pricey makeup company, but when they decided to do a subscription, I said, what the heck? It's not that expensive. All right, the first item is, and they're all by ZEESEA. This is the Living Colorful Color Mascara. It's in Snowflake. This is trippy, you guys. This is really trippy. It's like white glitter. It's called Snowflake, right? So it has like this white glitter. And it's got like this iridescent type of tube. See that? Now check this out. It does give you a warning, and it says that it's not, you know, 100. In other words, the US has different standards for approving things and so forth, but because I think this has those flakes that can get in your eyeballs and hurt you. Look at this. Like metallic flakes. It goes on it's mascara. My eyes and my face, everything like that, it's pretty hardy. So I don't mind trying it out. How many items did I get? I think it was like 6 or 7, but we'll count in just a minute. So there's that. And then there's the Living Colorful Double Head Eyeshadow and Line Silkworm Pen. Yeah, I know. Some of these are just like, what? What the heck is this? So you've got this twist up, which is a very pretty color, by the way. I mean, I don't want to take this video too long, but it's like a champagne goldish. Is that right there? Real pretty. Like I said, it's like a champagne. And then your other side, it's like a white. I'll put it right next to it. You see that? There it is. Interesting. I had not swatched them until right now. So this is going to be a little bit of an interesting experiment. Very pretty though. And then there's like their little beauty blender. It's dense. It's got a nice, not completely hard, you know, and not overly soft either. It's right there with where the beauty blender is, just that perfect sponge feel. This is the No Trace brush. This is really cool. I think I have one, but it's a different brand. Did I show you guys? The box and the art's really pretty. Comes in this little container. I mean, it's beautiful. You know what it reminds me of? Okay, you know your velvet back in the 60s and 70s, the velvet crushed material? Like somebody went and took like millions and millions of X-Acto knives and just went, boom, stamped it, and all of a sudden, get yourself a brush. Because it feels just like crushed velvet. And looks like it too. It's like your pants, like the brown pants that the boys wore. And I'm not talking corduroys. Kind of, sort of, but no. That's 4 items. And then there's these two. These are just little tiny eyeshadows, like little pods. There's this one in the color G011. It's got those little goldish white champagne flecks in like a peach orange. Their packaging is beautiful. And this one is S081 in this moss green. Very pretty. Just check this out. Let's go a little deeper. I'm not pushing too hard. It's pretty. That's a nice color. That's a very pretty color. So you guys know already that I'm wearing the Reese's. It's the, sorry, I forgot to put it back. I'm wearing the Reese's on my eyes. These are by Hip Dot. They each come, one is white chocolate and the other one is milk chocolate. This one is the dark milk chocolate. That is what is on my eyes. I just figured I would kind of go along with the theme of Valentine's Day and Galentine's Day, and what's that all about? Candy, chocolates, cards, you know, things like that. All right, last thing, and it just comes like this inside of regular plastic bag. Now this is where everything gets a little interesting. This is the ZEESEA. This is the one that is like Alice in the Looking Glass. Okay, they have a lot of palettes, and a lot of people just, you know, they buy them or they won't buy them, or they want them, but they pass them up because of the price. Like I said, they can be a little pricey. This is, and this is from the British Museum, Alice's Adventures in Wonderland. That's the name of the palette. And it's collabed with ZEESEA. That's the outer package. This is it, you guys. Can you see the glitter floating in there with the stars? See it coming down? Okay, but just go ahead and take a look at her. Watch this. My grandbaby loved it. And it is hollow right here. It's a heavy palette. It's a very heavy duty palette. It's got the cover on there, so I won't take it off. It does come with a brush, double-headed brush. These are the colors. Look at the stamps on the shades, on the shadows. There's Alice. And then here's her, I think they're flamingos that she plays croquet with. I think that's the flamingo. And then, of course, you have all the different symbols from the suits, the cards, the clubs, the spade, the heart, and the diamond, all stamped in those bottom shadows. The tops are glitters. I think there's only two. There's only two that are matte. It's a beautiful palette. So this came with this subscription, this monthly subscription. So it's kind of like, it is a, you know, it is a makeup subscription. That's all you're going to get. You're not going to be getting all this other stuff like you would with Boxy. You're getting their brand. You're not getting something else that's made up of it. So that's everything. This palette, these two single pod palettes, these two little singles. And then there's that all over, what is it? A no trace, no trace brush. That's this. Gotta try it. The double-headed eyeshadow. That glittery mascara. And then don't forget this little beauty blender. So that's everything, you guys. And it wasn't, like I said, it wasn't that expensive. I'll put all the information on the screen. And as for the prices of each thing, I have no idea. I wouldn't even know where to look. There's no card, there's nothing. All right, you guys, that's all I have for you on this new subscription from ZEESEA Cosmetics. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget, hit that subscribe button. that one right there. Give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to please turn on your notifications. That way, you know what? It dings, lets you know, shows up on your phone or electronic device when I upload a new video. All right, you guys, take it easy, and I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.